Ooh, you know what? A stainless steel kitchen can be really sexy. Kitchen islands are an absolute must, one of the most central things in the entertainment zone of a kitchen and a home.
You can't design a kitchen without having the island. It's crucial.
That will never go out of date. We love to congregate around an island bench.
Definite yes to kitchen islands, yes, yes.
Statement wallpaper for kids' rooms, love it. For other rooms, not the biggest fan.
Always a place for statement wallpaper.
Do at least 2 walls or maybe 4 of them. Just one feature wall on its own.
Painted feature walls, not in my house.
Can be a bit naff, but lime wash is in.
Venetian plaster, one of my favourite finishes, all throughout my house.
If you do it for a trend, it will date. If you do it for a specific style, it will stay in.
Still has some life in it, especially the textured, chunky stuff.
Stainless steel kitchens work well if you want an industrial environment and your chef. That's about it.
Ooh, you know what? A stainless steel kitchen can be really sexy.